Hey everyone, welcome back to Product Critique.
Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the Asus NUC 14 Pro.
A powerful mini PC that promises to deliver high performance in a compact form factor.
Let's see if it lives up to the hype. Starting with the design, Asus opted for a plastic case, which is a bit disappointing given its premium positioning.
The build quality feels sturdy, but for the price point, we expected more than just plastic.
It's compact, though, which is great for space-saving setups. Under the hood, our unit features the Intel Core Ultra 7165H processor, boasting 16 cores and 22 threads. This chip is designed for high-end performance, supported by Intel Arc graphics, which offers decent graphical capabilities suitable for office tasks and light gaming. In terms of connectivity, the NUC 14 Pro impresses with Thunderbolt 4 ports, USB 3.2 Gen 2 options, and dual HDMI 2.1 outputs, allowing for up to 4 monitor connections. There's also room for expansion with additional storage and a daughter board option for extra ports. Performance-wise, this mini PC shines in office productivity tasks and handles multitasking well, thanks to its ample RAM and fast NVMe storage. However, during our tests, we noticed that the Arc graphics, while improved, may struggle with more demanding graphical workloads compared to dedicated GPUs. One of the downsides is the internal access. While touted as tool-free, getting inside isn't as straightforward as it should be. The ribbon cable and delicate connectors make upgrading components a bit daunting for casual users. So, should you consider the Asus NUC 14 Pro? It's definitely a powerhouse in a small package. Ideal for professionals needing robust performance in a compact setup. However, the high price and some design compromises like the plastic case might deter some potential buyers. Overall, Asus has delivered a capable mini PC with the NUC 14 Pro, featuring impressive hardware and connectivity options. If you're willing to overlook its minor flaws and prioritize performance and versatility, this could be a solid choice for your workspace. That wraps up our review of the Asus NUC 14 Pro. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more reviews and tech insights. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on Product Critique.